Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the world of the FIA GT Championship, a prestigious motorsport series that was one of the cornerstones of global sports car racing. So, sit tight and get ready for a high-speed journey through its history. The FIA GT Championship was established in 1997 and ran until 2009. It was organized by the Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile, FIA, and featured high-performance production-based race cars. But this wasn't just about speed. It was about the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, driver skill, and thrilling competition. The championship consisted of multiple events held on tracks around the world. The series was known for its diversity, with cars from manufacturers like Aston Martin, Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Porsche competing against each other. These race cars were specifically built to represent their road-going counterparts, but with performance levels cranked up to the max. One of the things that made the FIA GT Championship stand out was its multitude of classes. The two main categories were GT1 and GT2, with the GT1 class being for the most powerful and technologically advanced cars. Teams competed for the overall title and the team championship, but there were also individual accolades for drivers in both classes. The championship had a special allure because it allowed some of the biggest names in motorsport to compete, including drivers from F1, Le Mans, and other top-tier racing series. You could see legends like Jean Alesi, Stefan Ortelli, and Timo Bernhard in action. But it wasn't just about the professionals. The FIA GT Championship also had a strong amateur racing scene, with teams from across the globe entering the competition, hoping to get a taste of what it's like to race at the highest level. The experience was unlike any other. Now, one of the key elements that contributed to the series' excitement was the balance of performance regulations. These were designed to ensure all cars, regardless of their manufacturer, had a fair shot at winning. Through this approach, every race felt unpredictable and action-packed. Despite its success, however, the FIA GT Championship was eventually discontinued. The series faced increasing challenges due to the rise of other racing events, such as the 24 Hours of Le Mans and the American Le Mans Series, and the changing dynamics of motorsport. The GT1 class was eventually dropped in 2010, and many teams moved to other formats, such as the GT World Challenge. Though it officially ended in 2009, the legacy of the FIA GT Championship still echoes today. It helped lay the foundation for modern endurance racing and left behind some incredible moments that fans still talk about. The series was an essential chapter in the story of global motorsport, and even though it's no longer around, its impact is still felt. So, there you have it, an exciting and fast-paced look at the FIA GT Championship, a series that combines speed, technology, and thrilling competition. If you're a fan of motorsport, you can appreciate what this championship did for the sport and its unforgettable moments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more racing content, and share your thoughts on the FIA GT Championship in the comments below.